Hello students, this is Abhishek Sharma and welcome to the channel Chemistry is Fun. Today we will discuss the atomic structure. In this topic, we will discuss the models which describes the structure of atom. So before I start the topic, do you know what is atom? Let me tell you what is atom. Atom is the smallest particle of matter that was supposed to be indivisible before the discovery of the fundamental or subatomic particles of the subatomic particles of the atom. So before the discovery of these subatomic particles of the atom, it was thought that the atom is indivisible. So electron was discovered by Thomson, J.J. Thomson, and proton was discovered by Rutherford, and the neutron was discovered by Chadwick. So these were the scientists who discovered the fundamental or subatomic particle of the atom. So after the discovery of these particles, the proper definition of an atom is like the smallest particle of matter that is electrically neutral but has positive and negative charge in it. So to describe the structure of atom, Sir J.J. Thomson was the first one to propose a model for the structure of atom. In his model, he said that the atom consists of किससे बना हुआ है आपका atom consists of a positive sphere and the electrons are embedded in it. मतलब कि आपका जो एटम है उसमें क्या है, एक पॉजिटिव स्फीयर है और जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं वो क्या है आपके इसमें एम्बेडेड है या फिर इसमें धसे हुए हैं, आप ऐसे मान सकते हो. यू कैन कंसीडर इट एज अ वाटरमेलन एंड द आउटर पार्ट द पॉजिटिव स्फीयर इज द रेड एडिबल पार्ट, खाने वाला लाल हिस्सा, और जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर लाइक सीड्स of that watermelon. And the second part was of his model that the mass of an electrons equal to the mass of the positive sphere. So the mass of electrons is equal to the mass of the positive sphere. It describes that how an atom is electrically neutral. But this model was not sufficient, was not enough to describe the actual structure of an atom. So Rutherford, who discovered the particle proton, did an experiment on gold foil. Rutherford did an experiment on gold foil and proposed a model to describe the structure of an atom. What he did in his experiment, he selected a gold foil which was very thin and scattered the alpha particles on it. And to observe, he put a detector In this experiment, what he found, that the alpha particle, most of the alpha particles were passed through the gold foil. Most of the alpha particles were passed through the gold foils, but there were very few alpha particles which were deflected by the gold foil, or very few alpha particles deflected by the gold foil at a very small angle. And surprisingly, there was an event that some, a very few, very less, like one out of every 12,000 alpha particles were back scattered. They were bounced back. So he proposed. He said that there is something at the center of the atom that contains the whole mass, and which is positively charged, because the alpha particles are the positively charged helium ions. So after the after doing this experiments after doing this experiment, he came to some conclusion. In these conclusions, first one was, the most part of atom is empty, and the masses of atom is concentrated, at the center of atom, known as the nucleus. And what he did next, what he said, that the nucleus is very small in size, very small in size, as compared to the atom. You can understand it as, if you have a football ground, and a cricket ball. So the football ground will be your atom, and at the center of the cricket ball will be your nucleus. And third one was, electrons revolve around that nucleus in circular path, to maintain what? To maintain the atom electrically neutral. So this was the model given by Rutherford to describe the structure of atom. And before that, we have discussed the Thomson's model. There are few more models which we will discuss in further classes.